In this video, I'm gonna show you one of my favorite UV resin techniques that make you look like a boss. What's going on, my fellow jewelers? So I have a craft fair in the fall, so I'm already thinking of fall colors and all that stuff so I can build up my inventory, and I am gonna make earrings that have a little gap in it. And this gap, I feel, make it look so chic and so cute. And I am gonna use different color combinations I've never used before. I'm kind of trial and erroring with you. So I want you to tell me in the end which color combination you like best. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe my channel if you haven't already. But let's dive right in right now. Okay, I love this technique because one, you don't need a lot of resin, but two, it just looks so good. But I am using all these different colors today. I'm trying all these different color combinations out. I've actually never used alcohol ink before to color the resin for this technique. So we're gonna see if it actually looks good or not. I have a coffee colored Nacarat. What is that? Anyway, it's an orange. I don't know why I need to say like pumpkin or something. A wine red, a ruby for the alcohol ink, and then a sunset for an alcohol ink. These are like mica powders. So I already colored my resin. I already got them on the tape. So I'm gonna try my first combination of the brown and the orange. I think that's a really pretty fall color. I know we're not in fall right now. Maybe you're watching in fall, but it's actually in the middle of summer, dead of heat. So let's try this first color combination first. I like to do darks underneath and then a light on top. So I am going to get it on my popsicle and just do the first layer. Luckily, I didn't spray alcohol ink because alcohol ink makes it spread faster. And so we're just going like that. Maybe I want a little bit more. Again, I haven't done this technique in a while, and I've never used actually a circle bezel. I've only just used teardrops. So I'm excited about that. And then let's get a little bit of orange going on. Like so. Oh, this is gonna be so pretty. I love the gap look because I feel it makes you look like a boss, that you can do any technique because you left a gap, because it looks like you're a professional, that you have this amazing technique. Okay, so I'm putting all those aside. I'm gonna quickly just put my flashlight on it so that it doesn't move. So we're dealing with liquid before it cures, right? So it wants to creep up. It wants to especially creep up the sides. So the faster I can get the light on, the better. Sometimes I like to do 2 at a time, but today I feel like going slow and steady to win that race. And so I'm just gonna put the light on. Make sure that these babies, the ones that you mix all the coloring, doesn't get cured, because then you'll have to mix it all over and you've wasted a lot. So try to make sure that the light just hits right here. Ooh, I like that color. It did creep up the side a little bit more than I want, but hey, it's handcrafted jewelry, like you're gonna get some of those characteristics. Now, I just did a flash cure. I'm gonna need to cure it for longer and then flip this baby over and cure it on the back. Every time you use UV resin, you need to cure the top and flip it over and do the back. You have to, or it's gonna be sticky on the back. Now, I really like that. Let me fast forward and do the next one, and then we'll go for another color combination. Okay, I'm gonna move those. And then, no, okay. And I almost spilled one over. And then I'm gonna cure it like this at an angle so it doesn't get any of my resin over there. So here's the deal. When it comes to dark coloring of your UV resin, if you do too dark, you need to do a ton of layers, because the UV resin light needs to be able to penetrate through and cure it properly. If you darken it too much, and you do a big old layer, it won't cure properly. In this case, I made sure that didn't put too much of color in there, and so that it can cure, because it'll leave squishy in the middle, and you do not want that at all. Oh my goodness, this is giving off fall vibes, and I am here for it. Okay, the next color combination I want to try is I want to do this beautiful red wine with the orange. I think it reminds me of like caramel apples and pumpkins, so let's go for it. I love fall. It is my favorite season of the year. I am a fall girl. I mean, my birthday's in fall, so that kind of, plays into that. My favorite sports growing up was in the fall, and so I think I just really fell in love with that season. I gotta move fast because it wants to move, and I will cure it and then show you afterwards how it turned out. Okay, I'm gonna do this. I don't know if you can see it. Like, can you look between the two of them? I don't know if red and orange is really a big change in color. Like, when you're looking at it, it doesn't look like it changes that much. The brown and orange, I think it's the perfect combination that I want, but you tell me. Okay, gonna do a quick cure. I am now going to try the alcohol ink combination. I've never done alcohol ink with this technique. I don't know if it's going to look more like candy or if it's actually going to look good. You got to tell me. So I am going to do a red and an orange. I think in this case, I want to do a red. It's a dark red. This is a dark red. This is like almost like a blood red. Like, I don't know. This is a dark, dark red. We'll see if this even works for this technique. Let's see about this. Oh, it's so interesting. Ooh, I kind of like that. Oh, I just spit all over it. I kind of like it because it slowly fades. Oh, so it's just, I don't know if you can see in the camera, but it's just a subtle color change and it looks like a sunset. Ooh, maybe I'll grab like an even lighter color and try to make a sunset with this. Ooh, we're going to try that. I mean, we're trying things out today, y'all. Why not? Why not? Okay, I'm actually mixing up a yellow to do red, orange, and yellow to make almost like a sunset look. We're gonna try and see if it works. This is the fun of experimenting. Like, I wanna encourage you, if you are just starting out with resin, experiment. Like, make mistakes. Like, get messy, make mistakes, as Miss Frizzle would say. But I just wanna encourage you, like, just try things out. Why not? Why not? What have you wasted? Nothing, because you've learned from experience. Oh my goodness, okay. Is it mixed? Do I need some more? I did lighten all these colors and hopefully it'll give me a sunset vibe. Let's see. Let's try it out, y'all. Let's try it out. Okay, so we're gonna do in this order. We're gonna do the red. We're gonna do red on the bottom. This is so fun. I love experimenting with you guys. I have the best time when I'm just hanging out with you. I used to do videos where I had to make it perfect. And I'm like, why not bring you with me and show you my mistakes? And so that's what I like to do now. I like to bring you along when I'm trying things out for the first time. Ooh, that orange looks lighter and I'm here for it. Let's try this yellow. I don't even care if I have a gap anymore. I don't even care. Like, are we doing sunset vibes here? Oh, I think I just got happy. Okay, I'm liking it. I'm liking the lighter orange and the lighter red. I'm liking the yellow. Oh my goodness, that is giving us sunset vibes. I'm gonna do another one and fast forward, and then we'll go to a different one. We're just trying all this fun stuff today. Okay. Oh, the gap is gone. The gap is gone, y'all. The gap is gone, and that's okay. At this point, we're just experimenting. Okay. Oh, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving that combination. I'm loving the sunset. Let's do the sunset with the circles. Let's see. I am digging this sunset. Okay. Y'all, I came for the gap and I walked away with the sunset. Come on now. This is so fun. This is so fun. Okay, I'm actually liking the brown and orange vibe with the mica powder. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to do a quick gap because that's what I came here for. I'm going to do a quick gap and then I'm going to do the triangle as well. And then, yeah, and then we will go from there, my fellow jewelers. You know what I was thinking? I was thinking, what if it's like a candy corn inspiration? Like, you could get these triangle bezels and do a candy corn color. That'd be so cute. I gotta try it another time, another video. But I am going to now flip these over on their backs and cure the heck out of them. I am just gonna cure the heck out of them. And then I will show you the results after they're all cured and hardened and exactly where I want them. And you have to tell me which ones you like the best. All right, so I cured the mess out of these. I cured them till they were hard. I really love how these sunset ones turned out. They are very see-through. It's like candy, and I think it's so pretty. But tell me what you like about this color combinations. Do you like the orange and brown? Do you like the red and orange? Do you like the sunset? Which ones do you like? I did try to make some more sunsets, right, with the heart. I thought these were really pretty, but I forgot to cure the back, right? So you cure the front, and then I forgot to flip it over, and when I took it off, This was all liquid and I had to quickly cure it. So you got to remember to cure the front and the back. I decided to throw in some candy corn. Look at these cuties. Oh my word. My mother-in-law loves candy corn, absolutely loves it. I know like there's a big controversy. Do you hate it or do you love it? Like there's no in between. She loves it. So I think I might make a pair for her and give it to her when she comes. So anyway, I love this. Tell me what you think. Comment, share, like. I love to hear from you. Love to hear what color combinations you liked and anywhere in between. But guess what? Thank you so much for tuning in and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!